How to BUY $CR7 Official Cristiano Ronaldo Token Crypto. The official Cristiano Ronaldo token, S7, is now available for trading. As you know, Cristiano Ronaldo is a world-famous footballer, and he has recently released his own token. Step 1. Disclaimer. Before proceeding, please note that this is not financial advice. I am not a financial or economic expert. Always conduct your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency or financial asset. Additionally, there is a referral code in the description that can provide free crypto rewards. Simply go below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Step 2. Token information. Token symbol, S7. Created 2 hours ago. Growth, increased by 3,000% in the last 24 hours. Liquidity, 100% locked. Trending, number 1 in the Solana index screener. Step 3. Setting up your wallet. To buy the S7 token, you need a crypto wallet that supports the Solana SOL network, such as Phantom Wallet, recommended, Solflare Wallet, Trust Wallet. Follow these steps. Open your crypto wallet. Ensure your wallet is connected to the Solana network. Copy the S7 contract address from the official website. Add the token to your wallet. Step 4. Buying the S7 token. To buy S7, follow these steps. Go to a decentralized exchange, DEX, such as Jupiter Exchange. Copy and paste the S7 contract address into the token selection field. Enter the amount of SOL you want to swap for S7. Check the transaction details, how much S7 you will receive. Select the provider, e.g., Jupiter, Radium, or another. Click Swap and confirm the transaction. Step 5. Troubleshooting issues. If you face any issues while buying S7, try the following. Adjust slippage. Some transactions may require slippage to be set between 1% to 5%. Reconnect your wallet. If the transaction is stuck, disconnect and reconnect your wallet. Check network fees. Ensure you have enough SOL to cover transaction fees. Step 6. Storing your S7 tokens. Once the transaction is complete, you should see the S7 tokens in your wallet. If they do not appear, manually add the token using the contract address. Refresh your wallet app. Conclusion. That's a complete guide on how to buy the official Cristiano Ronaldo token, S7. Cryptocurrency investments come with risks, so always invest wisely and do your research. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates on crypto investments and token launches. Stay tuned and happy trading!